Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of food preservation with the sleek and stylish vacuum sealer machine, a full automatic food sealer that boasts an impressive 95 kPa of sealing power. This compact and lightweight device is designed to fit seamlessly into any modern kitchen, offering a user-friendly experience with its one-touch operation and digital touch controls. Simply place your bag into the machine, select from 5 adjustable modes: dry, moist, vac, external vac, or seal, and let it do the rest, ensuring your food stays fresh for longer. The stainless steel panel and LED indicator lights add a touch of elegance, while the removable upper lid makes cleaning a breeze. With its external vacuum function, you can also seal wide-mouth canning jars, wine bottles, and even marinate meats quickly, thanks to the included accessory ports and 10 vacuum sealer bags. Lab-tested for reliability, this vacuum sealer is not just a kitchen gadget, but a game-changer in food preservation. So, if you're looking to extend the life of your groceries and keep your meals tasting fresh, this vacuum sealer machine is your perfect kitchen companion. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.